Hello honey, so today I'm going to be turning this old twist out to high puff. Basically it's like a day 6 twist out, and I did this twist out with mousse, even though it's not that defined, but it got the job done. So basically we're going to be needing a brush, eco styler gel, a pick. I'm going to start by spritzing my whole hair with water. So I'm going to be using a pick for a little bit more volume. My hair is already full anyways, but it's what So now I'm going to take the Eco Styler gel and put it around the perimeter of my hair, that is all over from my edges to the back of my hair, everywhere. I'm going to apply this gel.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it.
So then you're gonna take some old tights or something. I just call this from kind of tight stocking. So I'm just going to take this and basically join it together in front. Then I'm gonna start pulling. You just pull tight here, then use one hand to hold it here, then the back, you just like just drag it up. So if it's okay for you like this, you can leave it like this. I think I'm gonna leave mine like this. You can just keep on going. I think it's okay for me at this stage because the hair at the back is not that long. So I'm just going to take this and tie it at the back. You can see that my hair is coming out here. It's not long enough. It doesn't fit into the whole bunch yet. So I'm just going to get some bobby pins and I'm going to fit that into the whole section. So I'm going to take some bobby pins and I'm going to pin down this part for here. Basically, if you want, so guys, I'm not in the habit of doing my edges anymore because I'm trying to grow them back, but I think I look pretty fine like this. And so thank you very much for watching my video, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified when I post a video. And if you're also coming back, thank you very much. And also don't forget to like this video, share to help someone to get a cute high puff when they need that quick save. Thank you very much. Bye.
I wanna burn all the bridges between us.